Hello everyone and welcome back to Cliff Tips. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to computer optimization. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting, optimizing your computer's performance is crucial for smooth operation. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through step by step, so let's get started. Step 1. Remove unnecessary programs. The first step in optimizing your computer is to declutter. Take a look at your installed programs and remove any that you no longer use or need. These programs can take up valuable space and slow down your system. Let's head over to the control panel to uninstall these unnecessary programs. Step 2. Clean up disk space. Now that we've removed unwanted programs, let's free up some disk space. Disk cleanup tools are your best friend here. They help to identify and remove temporary files, cache, and other unnecessary data that clog up your system. Let's run a disk cleanup now. Step 3. Update software and drivers. Keeping your software and drivers up to date is crucial for optimal performance and security. Outdated software and drivers can lead to compatibility issues and vulnerabilities. Let's check for updates now. Step 4. Optimize startup programs. Your computer may be bogged down by unnecessary programs launching at startup. These programs can significantly slow down your boot time. Let's take a look at our startup programs and disable any that are not essential. Step 5. Defragment your hard drive. Over time, files on your hard drive become fragmented and scattered across different sectors. Defragmentation organizes these files, making access faster and improving overall performance. Let's defragment our hard drive now. Step 6. Upgrade hardware. If you've tried all the software optimizations and still notice sluggish performance, it may be time to consider a hardware upgrade. Upgrading your RAM or switching to a solid-state drive, SSD, can dramatically boost your computer's speed. Let's explore some hardware upgrade options. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to computer optimization. By following these steps, you can ensure that your computer is running at its peak performance. Don't forget to regularly maintain your system to keep it running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.